Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your BMW X3 into neutral. Knowing this is crucial for situations like automatic car washes or when your vehicle needs to be moved without the engine running. We will cover the straightforward electronic method and discuss the manual override for emergency situations. This easy guide will help you understand the steps to safely put your BMW X3 into neutral, ensuring you are prepared for any scenario. For an automatic car wash, it is important to keep your engine running or in a standby state. First, press the brake pedal firmly. Then, simply move your gear selector into the neutral position. Remember to also deactivate any auto hold function to allow the vehicle to roll freely. Never turn the car completely off in an automatic car wash, as this will engage the parking brake and prevent movement. If your BMW X3's engine won't start, you'll need to use an emergency neutral override. With your foot on the brake, press and hold the start-stop button for about 5 seconds. While still holding it, press the unlock button on the shifter and then move the gear selector into neutral. Your vehicle's display should then indicate transmission not in park, confirming it is now in neutral for towing or movement. Safety is paramount when dealing with your vehicle's transmission. Always engage the parking brake when your BMW X3 is stationary, even if it's in neutral. Never leave the car unattended in neutral, especially on any incline, as it could roll unexpectedly. For the most accurate and model-specific instructions, always refer to your BMW X3's owner's manual. Ensure your surroundings are clear before attempting to move the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.